Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online learning with Coursera, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Coursera website. Once there, create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal details and verify your email address. After logging in, explore the homepage to find various courses. Utilize the search bar to look for specific subjects or skills you want to learn. Filter courses by category, level, or institution to narrow your options. Select a course that interests you to view its detailed description. Review the course syllabus to understand its structure and requirements. Check the course duration and time commitment to ensure it fits your schedule. Look for any prerequisites mentioned in the description. Consider the enrollment options. Many courses offer free access with an option to pay for certification. If you decide to enroll, click the Enroll button to begin the process. Follow the prompts to complete your payment if applicable. Once enrolled, familiarize yourself with the course dashboard. Start with the introductory materials and any welcome messages from the instructor. Engage with video lectures and take notes on key concepts. Make use of supplementary resources like reading materials and quizzes. Participate in discussion forums to connect with peers and ask questions. Set a study schedule to keep yourself on track with the coursework. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated. Consider earning a certificate by completing all assignments and assessments successfully. If you're enjoying the learning experience, explore additional courses. Check for specializations or professional certificates that bundle related courses. Utilize Coursera's mobile app for learning on the go. Take advantage of the community sections to interact with learners globally. Keep an eye out for Coursera's updates on new courses or features. After completing a course, reflect on what you've learned and how to apply it. Feel free to share your course experience in the feedback sections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.